Hi, and welcome to our product center for flow measuring technology in Switzerland. This is where our new product line, Proline 10, is gotten ready for you. Let's see what it offers. With Proline 10, we have made simplicity to our core concern, no matter where digital or physical, and independent of the product's lifecycle phase. The high contrast display automatically adjusts to the mounting alignment and functions with commonly used touch gestures.
For example, during the commissioning process, here not only the display makes your life easier, but also the integrated commissioning wizard. It provides background information and walks you through a stress and error-free setup, step by step. Even if a warning or error signal occurs during operations, Proline 10 doesn't leave you in the lurch. The guided remedy function visualizes the concrete cause and offers appropriate remedies. You choose the solution you think is the best, which leads you back to an error-free operation.
Needless to say, all of these functions, not only via local display, but also wireless in real time with the help of the SmartBlue app. Along with the commissioning wizard and the guided remedy, the SmartBlue app offers you complete insight into device data and allows for parameter adjustment at all times. Despite the simplicity of Proline 10, if you want to dig deeper and take a look at the documentation, even this is a snap. By scanning the code, you get exactly what you need. As easy as that. This is Proline 10, intuitive,
direct,
and simply uncompromisingly simple.